In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load Bluebeam tools. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a saved toolset into Bluebeam Revu so your markups are consistent and ready to go on any project. First, open Bluebeam Revu. This is the application where you create, edit, and mark up PDFs. We're going to focus on the tool chest, which is Revu's hub for reusable markups, things like custom stamps, symbols, and annotations you want at your fingertips. With Revu open, look to the left side of the screen for the tool chest panel. This panel houses all of your tool sets in one place. Depending on your workspace layout, it may appear as a tab with the tool chest name or an icon in the left panel bar. When you open it, you'll see any existing tool sets you already use. Inside the tool chest panel, find the small menu icon. In some versions, it looks like a gear, and in others, it appears as 3 horizontal lines. It's typically positioned at the top right corner of the panel. Click that menu to access options that control how your tool sets are organized. From that menu, choose Manage Toolsets. This opens a window that lists every toolset currently available in your tool chest. Think of it as your control center for adding, removing, and managing these collections. In the Manage Toolsets window, click Load. This is the option you use when you already have a saved toolset file and want to bring it into Revu. Unlike creating something from scratch, loading simply imports the existing set so it appears alongside your other tools. A file browser will appear. Navigate to the .btx file that contains your saved tools. A .btx file is a Bluebeam toolset file, maybe something you exported earlier, downloaded from a colleague, or grabbed from a shared drive. If you have multiple versions, pick the one that matches the tools you need for your project or discipline. Select the .btx file and click Open. Revu will import that toolset and add it to your tool chest. You should now see the new toolset listed in the panel, ready to expand and use. The tools inside will behave just like your other markups, so you can click to place them, adjust their properties, and keep your drawings consistent and professional. And that's it. You've successfully loaded a Bluebeam toolset. With this done, your preferred symbols and markups are a click away, saving you time and helping your team stay standardized across documents and projects.